doing tonight is a simple one sheet pan, all-in-one bake, whatever you want to call it. So I found it on Pinterest, and I'm basically gonna put everything in this one pan and cook it all together, and that is dinner. I think that's the most simplest weeknight meal. It's easy, stress-free. So that's what I'm gonna do. What I've already done is I've washed the asparagus, cut off the ends, and also trimmed down some of the ones that were really thick at the ends. So I've done that. I have washed the salmon that I'm gonna season and put on here, and then I have to peel and cut the red potatoes. And so seasoning pack that I usually use is this roasted potatoes one. I don't know if you can see that. So now that I've gotten everything in the pan, doesn't that look all cute? Doesn't that look so pretty, just the colors and stuff? So I'm gonna add some garlic powder, some Mrs. Dash table blend, that's salt free, some black pepper, and some olive oil. I'm also going to use some minced garlic. So now that that's in the oven, I am going to clean up some of this mess and start a load. Well, I'm not gonna start the dishwasher. I'm gonna load the dishwasher so that when we get done with dinner, I can put the rest of the dishes in there and start it for the night. the way, this is what I'm currently doing. I've done this twice before. The first time was very successful. The second time, no. Third time, which is now, no. And then I would not necessarily do the 10-day green smoothie cleanse, but I would do smoothies every day or whatever. But this is really good, and I lost, the first time I did it, I did lose 10 pounds in those 10 days. So it's just a really good cleanse to jumpstart like weight loss and stuff like that, which I am on this journey right now, y'all. I know it's early, today's day 3, and I've been doing really good. So just if anybody want to check it out, this is by JJ Smith or whatever, and it's got every smoothie, like the recipes for every day in here, and also just other things you can do, how you can get through it, all of that, to just change, you know, your lifestyle. You guys, I have been using, I stopped in Target for something else, I don't know, and I forgot about their Everspring line. So I did get the citrus and basil. The smell is really good, it cleans well. The smell is not strong like some of the Method products or whatever. It doesn't linger long. It's really, really light and faint. But it's pretty good. You get a good amount for the price. I think this was like $2 and something, and you get 28 ounces. So far so good. Have y'all used these products? If so, which scents do you like? What do you think about it? Like I said, so far so good, but I'll definitely let y'all know, you know, as I continue to use it, if anything changes. It looks so good, y'all. I mean, so good. I'm so ready to eat. So thank you so much for joining me, you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not new, thank you for coming back, and I hope you enjoyed this style video. If you did, you guys, let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you guys. And If you are new, look around and see if this channel is for you. I would love to have you join. Don't forget to comment, thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, you guys. I hope you have a blessed week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.